biggest impact of NetSuite on Augury is the ability to scale with confidence. We now have a single source of truth to supply chain, to procurement, and to inventory management. So before NetSuite, we ran our business on a few different separated systems. We run demand planning on one system and procurement on a different system. And the main challenge with that is that with the lack of integration between the systems, that's created a lack of efficiency in our overall operation and required a lot of manual work from our side. We looked at different systems. What was important to us is to have a unified infrastructure or a platform that we can do inside demand planning, inventory management, operational models, dashboarding, and financial modules, all of that in one system. And this is the reason why we chose to go with NetSuite and to implement it. When we first implemented NetSuite, we started with the logistics modules and the inventory management, together with the financial modules. Today at Augury, we have multiple entities and multiple warehouses in each entity. With NetSuite, it allows us to see, to have a clear view of our inventory worldwide through all of our entities, and to make sure that we have the right items at the right warehouse. We implemented also the demand planning and supply chain management in order to create a unique view of all of our operational modules under one roof. So using NetSuite demand planning, allowing us to accurate our forecast based on historical data, sales, motion, and also predictive analytics in order to make sure that we can situate the changes that are happening in the business in real time. Adding supply chain management on top of what we already have, allowing us to have a bird view of the business and the operational modules, and providing us with the ability to automate some of our processes. We are automating our purchasing management. We are sending orders to our customers, to our vendors. We know to manage the vendor scorecards with that, and we are able to move inventories between different warehouses in an automated way. The benefits of combining the demand planning with the inventory management in NetSuite, allowing us to reduce the excess inventory while improving the service level for our customers. The ability to connect the demand planning with the procurement, allowing us now to make a data-driven decision, which is really setting up with the way we are managing our business as an AI-driven company. Tying all of that together with NetSuite ERP, allowing us to support the business needs and to combine all of that in order to reach our goals as a company, whether it's across margins or profitability, it's allowing us to together. And this is what you need in order to manage a modern supply chain.